just a truck driving through the United States.
Yeah?
Yeah, right. Exactly.
Don't flow subs, and that'll never happen.
I know you're gonna make it look nice. Not worried about that. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
What up, y'all? Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and I'm so happy. Can you tell? I'm thrilled. I'm like, I can't really contain myself. We got bad news. And I've been getting nothing but bad news. Let's just rewind real quick on just, I don't know, let's just say the last week. Every single day was something. All right, you saw how my Denali got towed. Man, my truck was right here and I was gone. Man. And you saw the marks and the end result.
Minding my own business.
Of me hitting a shopping cart on the freeway. My fog light doesn't work. You saw how after I hit the shopping cart, my truck was messing up, and how even when I was trying to take my rims and tires off to check the brakes and check underneath, my lug nuts wouldn't even come off. My lug nuts were like seized on. Saw that. These things are stuck on. And you even saw how out of nowhere, the screen of my phone just decided just to leave, just to come off. And I don't want to be a whole phone. I want to separate. Saw that. Man. Well, in this video, we got more bad news. And the bad news deals with Mindy's car. Who would have thought? Mindy's car is giving me a real headache. We're so close to just a couple more things to get done, but let's just get into it so you guys can enjoy, once again, more bad news. I'm a man. I'm a man. I ain't gonna cry. I'm a man. All right, so Mindy pulled up so we can go and pick up her car. And watch this. You happy to pick up your car?
Yeah?
Yeah, right. Exactly.
Today, right? I woke up, right?
Yeah, all right. So we're gonna get on the road to go get her car, and I will explain to you guys what happened till we got more bad news. Her car's not done, and we need to get it out of there. Let's proceed. All right, so this is what's going on. So we dropped Mindy's car off. Everything was good. Everything, as far as we knew, was getting hooked up. Her trunk was getting done. Put the subs in, everything like that. And then I get a picture. I get a picture of Cooney of the two subs side by side with a meter on it reading pretty much where the subs stand. You can put a meter to subs and tell if they're blown out, if they work, what ohms they're at, everything, just to make sure they're in sync with each other before he finishes up. Well, one sub was at 1 ohm, which is where it should be. The other sub was at 2 ohm. The sub that was at 2 ohms, I got a recone. I had damaged the sub, but instead of just buying a whole new sub, you can get a recone kit and pretty much put it back to brand new, just like when you first bought it. Pretty much I ordered the recone kit from Down for Sound, and then I guess it got ordered or sent over from Sundown Audio. It was the wrong one. I have my invoice. I know what I ordered. The box said it was a D1. The receipt said it was D1, but what was in the box was a D2. Now you can't put a D1 and D2 sub together. They won't be in sync. It just won't work. So he was dead in the waters. Couldn't do anything. Because of that, I had to start making some phone calls to Down for Sound, like, look, hey man, you guys sent me the wrong recone kit. Then they started trying to make me jump through hoops. Hey, send us an invoice of the order. So I did that, proof. Okay, we need to see pictures of the meter at a 0, not reading anything, and then connect it to the subwoofer so we know where it stands. Boom, sent that. You know what I mean, sending them pictures. Down for Sound's trying to help out. The secretaries are dope. It's Sundown. That's a headache. They have a dope product, but their customer service is terrible. It's almost like they have no problem taking money. They have no problem placing orders and sending products out. But whenever there's an issue, now there's an issue. You know what I mean? So they have a problem getting back to you and just fixing the problem. I've gone through this before with them. I don't know, I hate Sundown's customer service. So long story short is this. I can't just have Mindy's car just sitting with Cooney because he has other projects to work on, and there's no need for her car just sitting there taking up room. I'm not worried about anything happening or the car's gonna get damaged, but it's just an inconvenience to him. You know, it wasn't my fault, it was unexpected, it's not his fault. I'm actually glad he caught it, you know, because he over, double, triple checks everything and make sure everything's on point. So good job by him. Down for Sound understood what was going on, and they said that Sundown is not trying to comply and not trying to help out. So much so that it went from the secretaries, the customer service or whatever, to the management, to pretty much JP, Jonathan Price, the owner of Down for Sound, was getting ready to get involved. And all of a sudden now, because it's an issue, Sundown said, okay, we'll take responsibility. We'll build a new recone kit and send it out to you. Only problem is, I don't know how long that's going to take. Their headquarters is in North Carolina. And whenever they ship something, it's on ground. Just a truck driving through the United States. They don't fly it, they don't next to air it or anything like that. I asked how much it'll cost. Let me pay out of pocket. Let me pay what I can and get it here as soon as possible. They said that that next day air would have been $220. I'm like, you know, this thing weighs, that's to nothing. Like $220 for next day air. 2-day air would have been $180. 3-day would have been $88. I'm like, nah, I'm good. So long story short is, we're picking up Mindy's car, and we're gonna have to wait for not only us to get the recone, but to have Josh recone it, make sure everything's good, the glue and everything, make sure it's perfect again, get Mindy's car and the subwoofer, bring it back to Cooney so he can finish up the trunk. After that, drive back out here, pick the car up and bring it home. We're just doing a whole lot of back and forth. You know what I mean? Are you happy about it?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, she's at a loss of words. She's thrilled, you know what I mean? But it is what it is. And I've been going at this for about the past week and a half, you know what I mean? It's a burden, it's time consuming, and it's an inconvenience. So we're getting ready to pull up to Cooney's right now to pick up the car. I'm gonna do my best to not look at the trunk. I'm gonna do my best to not look at what's inside of it or what he's done already, because I want to be surprised by the finished product. I don't want to peek. So yay, Mindy gets her car back, but yeah, it's not. See how excited she is? She can't contain herself.
Yeah, I'm so. What? It doesn't matter either way. Like, life happens. It's all good.
It's a lot more positive than I am. All right, let's get to this car. All right, that car is dusty.
I know.
Yeah. I was no, because we're all expecting it. What's up?
What's up, man?
We're not gonna open the trunk or do anything, or because we don't want to.
There's nothing in there right now.
Oh,
nothing.
Okay.
No, I have to put it together a certain way.
Right.
And I have to have the subs.
Okay, I didn't know if like you started doing it and then and then the subs like you got hung up on. I was like, I don't even want to peek.
I literally it would have been done Thursday, like I said, 4
last
days.
week.
Yeah. It was done. It would have been done. But once I get the box in, I wire the 2 amps, tune it up, it's good to go.
Yeah. Okay.
But what I did find out was, have your batteries been dying?
No.
No? I was gonna have it so when you pop open the trunk, the LEDs come on in the box.
Right.
That switch is faulty. That light's on all the time, so I disconnected it. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
I even had a buddy come.
Right, because usually when you open it, then the light comes on. Yeah.
The car, and inside with my multimeter on that wire.
It was running.
Yeah. I just disconnected it.
Works for me.
Okay. Yeah. So there's no power going to it.
Right.
Cool.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
He's
well,
falling apart.
I know the guys, when I got it painted, they like taped it. See, I have it on this one.
Okay.
Just in case you guys didn't know, Mindy is a janitor. You see,
Yep. It used to be worse.
yeah. She went down about 47 keys. So, about to hop on the phone with Down for Sound to call Sundown because they should be working on it today. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know. It's like I said, it's been a headache. And it's like, look, like, how do you say we need to build it? Like, this is what you guys do. You should already have a bunch of stuff in stock, even
Absolutely,
though,
yeah.
you know. But do you keep sending people D2 to try to get rid of them? You know what I mean? Because you know it's a headache. Just send out what people ordered. You know what I mean? Like, don't make it hard.
And on top of that, don't blow subs, and that'll never happen. You got to know the limits of the system.
I can't even be like,
Because
oh, well, you
seriously-
don't know what it's like to
seriously,
push
look
a
at the
system.
headache.
But he pushes.
I think I have. I don't know.
I've blown subs, yeah. But usually you can say that to people that don't really know music. His level of music and subs and bass is crazy. So yeah, he's right. You do need to know the limits of what you're putting into your
And
car.
you don't have to go
Yeah.
through that.
Cool. All right.
But yeah, you got to get it before the coils get too hot, or then it's just too late.
Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. You know, like I said, I've been trying, you
It's
know. Yeah, see that was another thing too, is this, because he does everything out of his garage at home, so he can't have just cars just sitting around, so that's why we needed to get it out of
No,
here.
I know,
You know what I mean?
know.
So he can continue doing what he does, we can continue coming to him, there's no issues, no problems, but we have to work within a quick time frame, and that's why this whole thing is holding us back, because, you know, we have to. Oh, this is Josh's truck. What's going on here?
Think I could have it ready by showdown?
Was that March 9th?
March
1st and March
2nd.
1st. Ooh, about a month and a half.
What do you think? Do you think you can?
Oh, I know I can.
Oh, this thing is gonna be.
We're all oof, like we don't know. He's like,
Man.
oh yeah,
No,
we
keep
done.
this. Rear AC.
For the
To cool everything.
Keep the amps cool back here.
Wow.
You'll see.
All right, I can't show you. I can't show. Hey, Laughlin.
Avi Hotel.
Cool. Head, I'll keep you posted. Thank you so much.
So yeah, when you have it ready, drop it off one night. The next day, I'll get it finished, and you can pick it up that next day.
Oh, the quick turnaround. Okay, cool. Oh, because you have everything ready to go. You just need to put it in
Yeah,
and then tune it or whatever.
I'm not going to show it to you till it's done.
Nope.
Yeah, that's all I was like. We don't want to look at the chart. Yeah, it's all good. I know you're gonna make it look nice. I'm not worried about that. All right. Well, let's go. All right. Thank you. I'll be in touch.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right. And we are going back home. We are off. Hey man, your boy's over here on the way home. I had to get some Mexican food, you know what I mean? A couple of machaca and egg burritos with beans, you know what I mean? So I'm over here waiting in the drive-thru. You know what I mean? They're doing construction and stuff in the drive-thru. Bow!
Bam.
Why is she here?
Give me your money.
That wasn't believable.
That wasn't. Brace yourself.
But all right, yeah, you know, I got crept up on right now, so let me get this food and then keep it moving. Crackhead.
Oh my god.
All right.